If your AC smells a little off or your airflow just isn't what it used to be, this might be why. Today, I'm showing you how to replace the cabin air filter on a BMW M3 and save yourself a trip to the dealership. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Me and You Garage. If you're new here, we do a lot of DIY car maintenance, product reviews, and real-world tips to save you time and money. Today's job is quick, super easy, and honestly one of the most overlooked maintenance items. Your cabin air filter keeps dust, pollen, and debris out of the air you breathe inside your car. Over time, it gets clogged, which means weaker airflow, bad smells, and your HVAC system working harder than it needs to be. So BMW dealerships charge anywhere from $200 to $300 for this job, and it literally takes 10 minutes. So save yourself some time and money and learn something new. Honestly, at this point, I'm basically a cabin air filter expert. Click the links to see some of our other cabin air filter jobs. Hey, maybe I should start a cabin air filter business. Hit me up if you want yours changed. For this job, you will need a replacement cabin air filter. I got mine on Amazon for $18, a 10mm ratchet, and a T20 Torx Bit. This is ours. Kit from Amazon. All of the links will be in the description box down below. On this car, the cabin air filter is located on the front passenger glove box area, and most cars are pretty similar. So once you learn this, you can do it on others too. Let's get started. So we're going to start by moving the seats back so we have more area to work with. So the first step, we are going to remove two 10mm nuts using this 10mm ratchet underneath the front passenger glove box area. One here and one here. So two. Then the next step is to loosen up this panel so we can remove it. Bottom panel is just clipped in. So boom, 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 shaboom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It comes down like that. Now we're there. So lift that straight up and this should come right down. So there's another connection here where you pull it out and this should come right off. And now you can easily locate the cabin air filter housing. And to remove it, you will use a T20 Torx Bit to remove two screws. It easily pops into your ratchet. There's one. And here's two. Once you remove your two screws, you should be able to pop off the cabin air filter housing door. So you have two clips, one on the back and one in the front. You're just going to pull this one off and this, and the door should come right off along with your cabin air filter. So we open the housing and slide the filter out. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, this is what you've been breathing through. Definitely time for a change. So this is our new air filter. This is a clean one. White and black. We're going to be sliding the new filter in, making sure that the airflow arrows are pointing the correct direction. Ours was curved kind of like this. It's going to pop back in going like this. All right, let's do this. Let's pop this baby back in. So let's get this right back in here. Squeeze it in. Wow, easy peasy, fits like a glove. Now cap back your housing door. Make sure you snap it back in. The clips, we're ready to go. Two little thingies back in, the Torx Bit thingy. Okay, we're putting everything back. Nice. Tightening everything back up. We closed up the housing and now we're going to reattach the panel. Working kind of backwards, we're going to stuff this thing back in here. Okay, clips right in. So now we're going to line this back up into the cigarette lighter. We're going to line this stuff back in, up in there. Okay, all right, final step. These little nutties back into place. Okay. I am just tightening up these last two nuts with our 10mm ratchet. All right, that was easy. Now that everything's tightened back up, it's time for our favorite part, the test drive. Let's fire up the AC. That air never smelled so fresh. Big difference. Way cleaner, way crisper airflow. And honestly, I'll take any chance to take this baby out for a test drive. No complaints here. BMW will charge you $200 to $300 for this. For $18 and 10 minutes of your time, this is definitely a do-it-yourself. You save $200. Go get yourself not one, but 2 steak and lobster dinners. One for you and one for your partner. You deserved it. Thank you so much for watching. Go like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. All our information will be in the description box down below. Bye!